Hey, great job downloading that one-page certification accelerator cheat sheet. In a few minutes, check your inbox. We're gonna send that straight to you, so be on the lookout for it. But before you go, I want you to watch this quick video right here so I can show you how entrepreneurs just like you is using this strategy to gain access to exclusive contracts with certification, increase their business confidence without worrying about how complex the certification process is, or even wondering how long the certification process takes and not knowing which certification is right for you. If you ever felt getting your minority certification was too complex or out of reach, this right here will simplify it for you. Now, just so we know that you're in the right place, this is the same exact system we use to help fire alarm technicians start their own fire alarm business, security professionals that's looking to get into the fire alarm industry, and aspiring entrepreneurs looking to start their first fire alarm company. And with this system, they've been able to get certified, qualify for exclusive contracts, and grow their business with ease without the worry of complex applications and how long it takes to get certified. And this isn't just theory, this is the same exact strategy we use to get certified for our business. So let's jump straight into it. If you're like most entrepreneurs in this space, you probably face some of these challenges when trying to get yourself minority certified. The process seems too complex, you don't even know where to start. How long does it actually take to get certified? And you're confused about the certification types, not knowing which type of certification is right for your business. I hear these struggles every single day, but here's the thing. This is just a small problem of a bigger situation. There's a lack of a simple, clear, step-by-step roadmap that shows you exactly how to become certified and use your certification to unlock new business opportunities. That's exactly why we created the Certification Accelerator, to give you a clear, proven roadmap to getting your minority certification with no frustration. Here's how it works. Step 1, we gather all your documents. I'll show you exactly all the paperwork you need before you submit it. Step 2, we submit your application to all the certification bodies. In step 3, I'll show you how you can leverage your certification so you can grow your business. With this system, our clients cut through all the red tape and land government contracts faster. And this is just step 6 in our flagship program, the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint, a complete system to take you from aspiring entrepreneur to a successful business owner in the fire alarm and security industry. Here's the roadmap. Stage 1, that is the foundation building. There we have the structure selector where we show you how you can set up and form your business. Next is the license navigator. We show you how you can get your fire alarm license. And lastly is the insurance strategist. We show you how you can protect your fire alarm business. The second stage is our growth strategies. There we have the market monster. We show you how you can position your fire alarm business in the fire alarm market. Next is the vendor guide. We show you how you can get up to $100,000 in vendor credit. Lastly is the certification accelerator. We show you how you can get yourself minority certified. And the final stage is our expansion opportunities. There we have the contract navigator, where we show you how you can write proposals and win your first government contract. Next is the brand architect, where we show you how you can build a personal and business brand online through social media. And lastly is the funding tool, where we show you how you can inject cash into your business so you can grow it. This is the clearest, most proven system for anyone that's serious about getting a minority certification and landing their first government contract. If you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be taking right now to win your first government contract, then book a free strategy session with me today. In just 30 minutes, we'll identify what's holding you back, map out a step-by-step strategies that you can implement within 90 days, and see if you're a good fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. But this is only for serious entrepreneurs, the ones who's driven to grow and succeed, open to implementing proven strategies, and committed to building a long-term profitable fire alarm business. If that's you, then click the link below and schedule your free strategy session today. We look forward to helping you get minority certified.